Menina, what I have today in this nice box?
Today you have a 6 inches selfie ring light with tripod.
Yes, you YouTuber, Twitch, or any occasion. That's the perfect thing I have inside this box. Let's begin now. Menina, what I have today inside this box?
Today you have a 6 inches selfie ring light with tripod.
Perfect for YouTuber, Twitch, or any occasion. Makeup, whatever you need. Let's begin now. How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MediaBoxENT. And Menina, let's go over this wonderful light. You're going to use it for your selfies and
They
stuff?
are good for when you do makeup and when you make videos, like when you do your nails.
Oh, yeah, you can use your nail and everything. So what we got? First, let's take the light out. I like it. It has a nice a small design,
And in
real
fact,
light.
Yes, the ear designs, they are like hooks, so you can hook them somewhere.
Yeah, so we see right over here. This is your control switch. This is power. Now this you can power any USB power supply or your computer or anything. So this way I use my power supply over here, 5 volts. You can use whatever. All right. So let's get the ear into the side. So Minia, you said the 2 tripods, right?
Yes, you have 2 tripods, and you know what? It has 3 lighting modes, which is white, warm yellow plus white too. They don't flicker, dazzle, nor glare. And the tripods are anti-friction, and also has a wireless Bluetooth remote control. And that's something really, really good about the tripod. They are 360 degrees rotatable, and the other one is 90 degrees vertical adjustable.
Yeah, so let's look. So Mina says, so we have you can make any form you want. So that will be perfect for your phone. We lose this here, put this up, and then hook this up into the side. That's it. You can put this way. Let's grab my phone. We go like this. Open this. Put it right there.
Yeah, and that one is the one that goes 360.
Yes, I can set it this way or whatever it requires you to set. Or you can put it like this way. Right, so you have that there. Now, the ones for the light, we get this here. We put this, if you want to move, right? If you want the light to get some different angles, so we put this over here. So now we can loose this up and we can move the light any way we want. Put this into the bottom. Let's grab the light here and let's twist this in. And now we build the lights. So technically, now let's hold this up.
It's
this
like
way.
in a small studio to go.
Right. Well, yeah, that's the idea. So here you put your camera, right? You set your camera angle, and then the light mostly will be for your face. Even if you do like an open box, the way we do
That's
here.
what I was
So
thinking
yes, you can point the light the other way around. So now, so let's put it. Let me point into my face so you guys can see the different tones of my skin. And let's go this way. So on the switch we have on, off, and let's turn it on. Now here's the 2. That's the 2 lights here. We're gonna turn only one. So that's the white light. Let me put it all away. Okay, that's all the way. And we want the warm light. I guess me for makeup, right? The next one. So if you want the warm light, and you can see my skin has changed color. So if you want like the effect like you went to the beach and got some nice tan on it, or you can mix both. See, I got the 2 colors, and I can lower it up. If you see here, I can load it up. If I give you a better effect, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this down so you guys can see. I'm going to lower this up so the camera can catch this. So let's lower this, and that's it. Excellent. So now here's the white. Here we see the warm light, and this is the boat. All right, and if you go all the way, right, it will saturate the camera, but you can see the power. So Definitely, it's a good in a small real light thing. I mean,
That's
to
why I
use
say
all
it's
the
like the
time.
studio on the go.
Yes, and then we have the little control here. This is good for any OS devices, so Android or any that has a Bluetooth device. And with this, make easy for you to pair your phone and one text picture and one record. Because if I have these things like this, right, I don't want to be pressing there, so I want to maybe take pictures or whatever. There's some makeup, so you have right there, so you just put your faces and a bing, press the button and takes picture. If you want to do like tutorial, you just press the button, it starts recording, and when you end it and you stop it right there. So this is a nice thing. You can use it for whatever. You're taking vacation, you got selfie stick, you can use this one for selfie stick. There's an extra thing too.
And it
Right,
can also
Lydia?
be used for reading.
Huh?
You can use it for reading next to your bed.
Oh, the light?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, that's true. You can use it for many things. So it gives a lot
Live
of light, a
streaming,
lot of
YouTube videos, online
Yeah,
teaching,
you
take pictures,
perfect.
makeup, camping. Yes.
So definitely now YouTuber, right? If you work a YouTuber, Twitch, what else? A maker channel, right? All those
Yes.
things are definitely the perfect light for you. I mean, yeah, if people need more information on this particular light,
All they have to do is click the link below.
perfect.